Everyone is talking about AI, but here's the problem. There are thousands of AI tools online, and honestly, most of them aren't worth your time. So instead of believing random lists on the internet, I tested some of the most popular free AI tools myself. Welcome to AiTestifyLabs, where we test AI so you don't have to. For this list, I picked tools that have free plans and are useful for real people. Whether you're a student, a creator, or just curious about AI, there's something here for you. I'm not ranking these based on popularity. I'm ranking them based on how useful they actually are. Let's begin with number 5. If you've ever needed to make a presentation, YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or poster, Canva is probably already familiar to you, but many people don't realize how many AI features it now includes. For this test, I asked Canva to create a YouTube thumbnail about AI tools. Within seconds, it generated a clean design that only needed a few small edits. It can also generate images from text, remove backgrounds from photos, rewrite text, and even help you build presentations much faster than starting from scratch. The biggest advantage is that everything is in one place. You don't need separate websites for design, image generation, and basic editing. The downside is that some of the best AI features are limited on the free plan, so if you use it heavily, you may eventually run into those limits. For beginners though, Canva is one of the easiest AI-powered tools you can start using today. Now let's move on to number 4. At number 4 is NotebookLM. If you're a student or someone who works with lots of documents, this tool can save you hours. Instead of reading an entire PDF, you can upload it and ask questions about the content. It gives answers based on your own documents instead of searching the internet. For this test, I uploaded a study guide and asked NotebookLM to summarize it. Within seconds, it highlighted the most important points and answered follow-up questions. It can even create study guides and quizzes, making it one of the best AI tools for learning. The free version is powerful enough for most people, but it works best when you provide clear documents. If you're looking for an AI study partner, NotebookLM is definitely worth trying. Now let's move on to number 3. At number 3 is Gamma. Creating presentations usually takes a lot of time, but Gamma changes that. Just type your topic and it builds a professional-looking presentation in minutes. It even adds layouts, images, and formatting automatically. For this test, I asked Gamma to create a presentation about renewable energy. In less than a minute, it produced slides that looked clean and organized. Of course, you'll still want to review and edit the content, but it gives you a huge head start. If you regularly make presentations for school or work, Gamma can save you a lot of time. That's why it earns the number 3 spot on this list. Now for number 2. At number 2 is Perplexity. Think of it as a smarter search engine. Instead of giving you a long list of links, it answers your question directly and shows the sources it used. This makes it great for research and checking information. For this test, I asked Perplexity to recommend the best budget laptops for students. It gave a clear answer with links to trusted sources, making it much easier to verify the information. That makes it a great choice for students and anyone doing research. While you should still double-check important facts, Perplexity is one of the fastest ways to find reliable information online. Now it's time for the number 1 AI tool. Taking the number 1 spot is ChatGPT. It's one of the most versatile AI tools available today. Whether you need help writing, studying, coding, brainstorming ideas, or learning something new, ChatGPT can handle an incredible variety of tasks. For this test, I asked ChatGPT to explain a difficult science topic in simple words, write a professional email, and generate ideas for a YouTube video. It completed all 3 tasks in seconds with clear and useful responses. No AI tool is perfect, and you should always double-check important information. But for everyday productivity, creativity, and learning, ChatGPT remains my top recommendation. That's why it takes the number 1 spot on this list. And that's my list of 5 free AI tools that are actually worth using in 2026. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to AiTestifyLabs, where we test AI so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.